What's going on, everybody? It's the top of the hour, 10 o'clock Central Time, April 17th, 2011. Just another update on what's currently going on in the world, or not in the world, probably just in our country, really. Just another radar look from Intellicast. Interesting things going on here in the Midwest. The West Virginia-Kentucky border, interesting, and a nice old classic rivalry could be renewed, not in a way you'd like to see it. And then just a quick update on what's going on in Quebec from what I saw earlier in the day. So let's check it out. This is from just 1 hour ago, radar. Just notice this right here, kind of two across Michigan, so I'm going to check that out quickly. You just want to make sure, it's the whole purpose of documentation, especially with this stuff. You document it, and those who know more about these rings can look at it and see, if this is legit or if this is nothing. This is near Grand Rapids, Michigan. And then across the way in what looks to be around Fenton, Heartland, Troy, right by Detroit. Something to look out for. That's 10:15 Eastern. Let's see what happened. Okay, so that's interesting. I'm not just saying, but I'm just saying, that just happened. That was 10:10 Eastern. So this is still around at 10 Eastern. Let's go back. 10:05. Okay. Ooh, see, diminishing little spots there at the top. Okay, so 1 hour ago, that appeared in Fenton, and then boom, that appeared above Grand Rapids. That diminished at 10:20 around Fenton. This diminishes around Grand Rapids at 10:25 Eastern. This diminishes at the bottom of the hour, 10:30 Eastern. Just to check the whole hour around here. Maybe something around Kalamazoo. That's something to look out for in the Michigan area. Definitely. It's just very odd to see that. Those circulars, the circular ring. Seriously. All right, northeast outlook. Nothing, possibly nothing interesting. I'll let you be the judge. I did see that line again in Quebec, so let's go back and... Well, there you go again. Right. Again, link my video from earlier in the day, just to show you what I saw around this area. Rolling through Quebec, possibly the same area as well from earlier. And again, my general hypothesis is usually when you see stuff like this on a radar, it's either a day or two until the storm actually happens. So, could be tomorrow, it could be Tuesday. I know in my area, we're expecting something both days. And I mentioned expect something in the Montreal area. I think that could be hit. Noticing some of the weather patterns, something to look out for. Um, let's just check out the rest of the hours. Could be something. I mentioned the border, New Hampshire, Burlington, Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont. Check that out. And a new wind system. Anyhow, oh, there we go. So let's. So that's a northeast outlook. Maybe possibly a ring near Ontario. Let's just go back, just make sure. More so like a boxed nothing like I saw in near Wichita from Thursday. That was a wreck. That was something to see. Maybe something around here, but again, watch out for this in Quebec. It could go to Montreal. Some rain going on near Nova Scotia. Another thing I'm finding interesting. Kentucky, West Virginia border, and Kentucky. So this is interesting. Just to show you, nothing going on there for the last hour. Zoom in and check out what occurred. Everyone's familiar with Louisville, Kentucky. Big old college basketball rivals, but a rivalry you may not want to see in this area could be manipulation in terms of the weather. Poof. Interesting rings to look out for in these two areas. And then there's something to look out for in the border of West Virginia and Kentucky. So that occurred at 10:20 Eastern Time. Nice little bullseye right there. That goes away 5 minutes later. The ring breaks 15 minutes later at 10:35 Eastern. Let's see. So it's something to look out for. Kentucky and West Virginia border. That's interesting. Very out. And the Illinois-Indiana border. That's what, Effingham. Like near Terre Haute, Robinson. Quite odd. Kind of looks like a Z or a 2 in the sky. Interesting. is that right here in St. Louis. Ring out here near North Plate, Nebraska. Grand Island, Lexington. Quite interesting. Look at the way that thing moves.